Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to be looking at the newest iOS updates. So for the 5S, iPhone 6, and also any iPad that was currently supporting iOS 12 has now got iOS 12.4.5, which is simply a security update for these older phones since they aren't getting a major type of software update anymore now that they're kind of past their time. But other than that, we're going to be looking at the newer phones as well and seeing what type of changes they did with 13.3.1. Now as for the newer phones, with this one being the iPhone 8 Plus, now on any device that was supporting iOS 13, such as the iPhone SE, 6S, 6S Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, 10, 10R, 11, 11 Pro Max, and 11 Pro. Now with these, it comes with a bit of bug fixes that everyone's been wanting. So for example, such as Mail, a lot of people have been complaining about the Mail app on the iPhones, such as the bunch of undo buttons popping up as well, along with a bunch of fixes with LTE and Wi-Fi as well. And also on the newer phones, which have the U11 chip, you're able to prevent location being shared during calls or any type of app on your phone. What would be annoying about it is the fact that you would have to turn the location on and off every time you would log into an app. It would keep asking you permission to use the location. But other than that, there's been a new Mac OS update as well with Catalina, and also just a little bit of performance improvements as well, such as like multi-apping is pretty fast now and everything. And this update was only about 300 megabytes, which is pretty small unless you're coming from the beta, which I wish I became a developer so I can get beta updates. But other than that, this is just a short little video here discussing the two new updates that just came out yesterday. And hopefully soon we'll get 13.4 or 13.3.2. We don't know yet, because it took about a month for Apple to come out with this update from the last one, which was back in 2019. So this is the first update of 2020. But other than that, guys, if you like tech such as iPhones, Androids, or any type of tech, and we talk about any software updates for any types of phones, and plenty more reviews and comparisons to come as well, so feel free to check out the description down below and check out any of the videos either from 2020 this year of any reviews or comparisons or last year's. But other than that, I really appreciate you all, and we'll catch you all in the next one. See you and see ya.